Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming model and firmware because fixes differ between models. Plug the watch into the original charger and let it reach at least 50% so updates won't fail. Open Huawei Health on your phone and immediately back up your watch, contacts, settings, and workout data so you can restore later. Inspect the watch for obvious damage, loose crown, cracked screen, or water intrusion. Once done, perform a quick soft restart from the watch settings to clear transient issues. If the soft restart didn't fix it, force reboot the watch by holding the power key for 10-15 seconds. This clears stuck processes. Next, make sure the phone's Huawei Health app is up to date and check for OTA firmware updates. Install updates while the watch is charging. If connectivity is flaky, clear the Health app cache on your phone, unpair the watch, then repair. This often resolves Bluetooth handshake and notification issues. If sensors misbehave, run the diagnostics in settings to gather clues. When you've exhausted software fixes, perform a factory reset, but only after you've backed up because this erases local data. Restore selectively. Install essential apps first, then sync health data and test notifications, heart rate, and GPS while the watch is charging. Make sure firmware remains current and recalibrate sensors if available. If problems persist, note error messages, firmware build numbers, and steps you tried. Then contact Huawei support or an authorized repair center. Troubleshooting tip: boot into recovery or safe mode to isolate third-party app interference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.